right, here doing some technical analysis here on the MNQ, and then just going to be going over my first day results on my $25,000 Take Profit Trader Pro account. So let's jump right into it. So price action has been doing pretty well, been respecting our levels that we usually look at here. So on the daily, remember, when was it? Friday, we bounced off of 28,400 cleanly. So the low of that candle was 28,408.25. And then we closed right below 28,800. Today, overnight we had to move to the upside. And then closed in a hammer candle, and I think this is a little bit bearish, but we're back above over 28,800 now. So we don't know where the market's going to be going after this. We need to see if we make a lower low here. So if I take my purple line here, and we did make a lower low here initially. So the low of this candle was 28,706.75. We bounced right off of 28,700 here on today's Tokyo session. But we made a higher, we're making a move back to the upside here. So where are we looking at to take a trade? Especially here in the morning, or in the morning session, London session. Once I wake up, I want to see where the NQ is trading. Are we trading above 28,800? Or are we trading below 28,800? And then the next thing that I would be looking at is, are we trading below 28,700 there, since we had a clean bounce off of that. It looks like at 5:30, so 30 minutes after the market resumed. So right here, we had to move to the downside. We bounced cleanly off of 28,700, came all the way up to 28.8. We traded a little bit above there, rejected that, came back down, but again, bouncing off of 28,700. So 28,700 moving forward might be a level to look at. So that is Monday lows, right? So I can actually add something there that says Monday lows. And that lets me know, hey, watch this level here at 28,807 or 28,700, because that might be a good level to watch. Here now, we're trying to break 28,900. We made a high of 29,921.25. It looks like we're trading above. We're respecting the 9 and the 20 EMA right now. So that's really good. Move to the upside. And then what I'm looking for is maybe a rejection from 29,900. Why? Because if we looked intraday here, in intraday on the 5-minute candle here, we actually went up after making a low of 28,900, and that was like a quadruple low there. And then we went up to 29,000 and rejected it pretty aggressively to the downside, and we sold off the rest of the day. So if we start breaking here, I might go long here on this pro account. See if we can make a move up to 29,900. My stop would be 28,800, which is it's a 1-for-1, risking 200 to make 200. But currently we're in a uptrend after we are bouncing off of 28,700. So we're up 200 points from Tokyo lows, right? Tokyo lows. So can we make a move back up to 29,000? And that is not too far away from the bottom of the 15-minute opening range here as well. So those are some levels that you might be looking at for Tuesday. I am up currently $399 on this Take Profit Trader Pro account. And I need about $1,000 more or $500 more to get to that buffer, so that trailing stops. Intraday trailing is not valid anymore, and then I can take daily payouts. So we'll see what this market wants to do. Like I said, I might be taking a long here. Not buy 5, but I might add 1 here. So I might buy 1 if we do break that the high of this candle here. and then make a move back up to 29,000. So if you have any questions, any concerns, any questions on how I trade, make sure to leave those in the comments, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.